week number 2.
So what's up, guys? Here we are in week number 2. We're working with the car. We have our helper here, Alejandro. What's up, Alejandro?
Hello.
So what do you think about the car so far?
Yeah, we just need to color the other side, and we're start putting the wheel back, and then we'll put
The bumper?
the bumper.
Yeah, we'll put the bumper. We have to paint it,
The bumper.
but we're doing it little by little, so it's starting to look good. And after this, it's completely painted. We're gonna paint it again. So this is like a base paint we use. We always like paint it. We're gonna paint it like 2 times. So this is what we have so far. Start to look good. Look at the panels. We have Beto here. He sounds like a pig. We were running in the. We were having fun now. Today is Sunday fun day. So we're gonna be painting this. This is the next step, and after this is all painted, we'll sand it and paint it again, the car completely. So it's coming out good. We really like how it's looking. We're up to date right now. We're still, after this we finish, we'll be doing the engine. That's still we want to leave this to last. This is at least what we know real good. So. So what's up, guys? That's an update that we have until now. I think it's August 10. Yeah, and the Thursday 13 is my birthday. So I think tomorrow we'll be painting the hood. The color came out so good. We're happy with the color, but this is a base paint, so but the final one is gonna look even better. So we're really happy with the color. There's still a lot of work, like under right there it's gonna be black, the bottom, everything's gonna have to be sanded and painted, but it's coming out real good. So you see we take out some parts and we put it back, and we just like, we don't want to lose anything. So that's an update we have until now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I still haven't, I'm waiting for the tripod so I can get a better videos and everything, but I'm using the little dolly you see there. It's cool. So have a great weekend and enjoy the video.